Free medicine for hypertension is a huge help for senior citizen Avelino. He said a regular supply of maintenance medicine is better assured if it is more affordable for someone like him who relies solely on a pension.
Malaking bagay, aside from doon, galing sa veterans, sa halagang 20K ba? Yung ma-avail na work ng consultation, lab test, at marami pang iba. Malaking kabawasan sa gastusin. So, aside from, siyempre, high cost of living, hindi ka...
Emelita Lubiano is similarly overjoyed by the program as it will assist with the medical expenses of her stroke patient husband.
Oo, yun na nga, yung para malisin yung finances, yung gastos, para kumbaga yung para sa akin lang, makukuha ko yung gusto ko. Pero nung sa ngayon kasi, lahat ng sweldo ko napupunta doon sa maintenance niya.
The Yaman ng Kalusugan Program or YAKAP is the expanded primary care benefit package of the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation or PhilHealth. Members can access medical consultations, laboratory tests, cancer screenings, and maintenance medicines. Currently, up to 20,000 pesos worth of free medicines per year can be availed under the Guaranteed and Accessible Medications for Outpatient Treatment or Gamot Component Program. PhilHealth President Edwin Mercado said this program is a major step to strengthen primary healthcare in the country and prevent the worsening of illnesses. All registered PhilHealth members and their dependents are automatically included in the YAKAP program. To participate, members must select an accredited YAKAP clinic and register through the eGov.ph mobile application or their website. After registration, members can visit their chosen YAKAP clinic for the first patient encounter or FPE to reserve free prescriptions and services. To date, over 4,000 accredited YAKAP clinics are compliant and ready to serve citizens across different regions of the country. For wider service coverage, the clinics are now expected to use a PhilHealth Certified Electronic Medical Records or EMR system. More families are expected to benefit from free medicine and better healthcare as the number of YAKAP accredited clinics expands nationwide. Elijah Canlas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.